Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make combination fried rice. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what we need is cook day-old rice. Any kind of white or brown will do. We need eggs. We need breast chicken slice. We also need a squid slice. And then we also need a shrimp, adobo flakes, or any kind of adobo or chicken adobo. We need garlic and onion greens, carrots, shallots, and then the garlic freshly minced. And then for our seasoning, we need oyster sauce, we need soy sauce, we also need sriracha, cooking oil, and then pepper and salt to taste. Okay, so using a pan or in a wok, add a tablespoon of cooking oil. You can also use avocado oil or peanut oil, whatever you like. And then we are going to scramble the eggs and saute them in the pan. And then break them into small pieces as you go. And then transfer the eggs to a separate plate and then set aside. So using the same wok or pan, just add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and then saute the raw meat or raw seafood. Add the sliced squid and shrimp for at least 15 seconds. Don't overcook both of them because we're avoiding the rubbery texture of squid and shrimp, as well as the chicken breast. Okay, so after 1 minute of sauteing all the raw ingredients, you may now add the minced garlic and the shallots. And then once you smell the aroma and it becomes soft, you may now add the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, and the sriracha sauce. So after adding all the seasonings into the meat, you may now add the carrots and then the day-old rice. So I'm using brown rice. You may also use jasmine rice or long grain rice, as long as your rice is a day old, because freshly cooked rice will not work well in this recipe. So it's better for you to use a day old rice. After you mix them together, you may now add the scrambled egg and then the adobo flakes, the pork adobo flakes. So you may also use a chicken adobo flakes or whatever leftover you have at home. You may also add some, bacon or ham if you like. And then you can also add vegetables. So I'm using garlic and onion greens. You may add green peas, bean sprout, or green beans. Just cut them into small pieces. Okay, I think this is all good. This is ready to serve, but we have to try it first if we need to add more salt. Okay. Okay, so we need a little more salt and then ground pepper. And then that's it. You know what makes this so special? The combination of seafood, the adobo flakes, the chicken breast, and then the egg. It's all in one. So I hope you like this video for today, guys. And thank you guys for watching.